do the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Bitty Pop. These are the options. We already have a Splinter. Okay, who do you think it is?
Raphael.
The pixelated one or non-pixelated?
Non-pixelated.
Okay. It's Donatello.
Damn it. That's going to be my guess for this one.
Non-pixelated one. Okay. What do you think this one is?
Raphael.
Okay, I think that it's gonna be... I don't know what the orange one is. No, actually, I think that it's gonna be the Rhino. Ah! It's Raphael.
Yes!
And it's not the pixelated one.
Yes, I got it right. Leonardo.
Okay. Is that the orange one or the blue one? I hope that it's the orange or the blue one. I don't know which one. I think Leonardo's the blue one.
I think so.
I think that it's gonna be the orange one or the Rhino.
Just wanted to do a damn one.
It's the blue one. It's Leonardo.
Yes. I got it right.
Oops.
You killed him.
Okay. Who do you think that one is? Wait, this is different.
What do you mean?
Oh, no, it's not.
It's the same thing.
Okay. It better be...
Damn, I can't remember his fucking
one.
name.
We better have the orange one.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we gotta go get more.
Mikey. That's his name.
Okay.
Michelangelo.
Okay. Oh, fuck. We got a double.
Damn it. Anybody want Donatello? $5.
Nate does.
$5.
Oh. Damn, how do we get a double?
I don't fucking know.
Alright.
I told you switching me, you probably...
Ah, we got two doubles. This is a Splinter.
I mean, that's the same.
Yeah.